It is quite easy for an individual to be involved in substance abuse and hide it quite well that no one notices that anything is wrong. That is why it is important for employers to have their employees tested from time to time. Instead of sending your employees to a traditional test center, you can have the test center come to you if you hire the services of Mobile Drug Testing Texas units. There are several advantages to doing this. One of the major advantages of this method is that it is quite convenient. This is because the employer does not have to send his employees to a different location to have tests done. This helps to minimize loss of productivity. This is because the individual to be tested does not need to waste time traveling to the test site, but they can be working up until the moment for them to be tested. An on-site center is strategic, especially if you want a large group of people tested. The people who are being tested will enjoy a high level of privacy. This is because the results of the tests will only be disclosed to the management and the individuals who are involved. Also, most units will arrive at the on-site location in an unmarked vehicle, so no one else who is not directly involved in the exercise will know what is going on. The results obtained are reliable. Staff members will have minimal opportunity to try and sway results by taking in substances that may purify their blood or urine samples. This may not be the case when using an off-site center, since employees may have time to take a diversion on their way to being tested and find a way to purify their body systems before taking the test. You can trust that the results obtained are accurate. This is because the on-site centers are just as good as traditional centers. This will give you the confidence to act on the result obtained. If any individual fails the test, then you are free to take the necessary action, depending on what your company policy is. Regular and random tests help to discourage drug use in the workplace by employees. This increases employee alertness and performance in most circumstances. The tests are carried out by qualified professionals using certified procedures. This ensures the safe processing of all samples that have been collected. Overall, the company will be able to minimize its spending while still ensuring that employees are tested. Hiring the services of the unit is much less expensive than you having to send employees to an off-site center to get tested. The company will also save money that would have been spent on compensation and legal fees, as the rate of accidents will be reduced as employees will be sober while on the job. Mobile Drug Testing Texas can be used by multiple institutions. This includes schools, workplace, sporting centers, and personal residences. All you need to do is to get in touch with them and provide them with the necessary details, and they would be more than willing to help you at an affordable price.